Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to send emails to customers in QuickBooks Online. Imagine this, you've just completed a project for a client, and it's time to send out the invoice. But you're not quite sure how to efficiently deliver it through QuickBooks Online. No worries, this guide will help you seamlessly send professional emails directly from QuickBooks Online. By doing so, you can greatly enhance your invoicing process and ensure your payments are received in a timely manner. Let's dive into the steps together and make emailing your invoices as smooth as possible. To kick things off, you'll need to be logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand panel of your screen. This is your command center, where you can manage various aspects of your business operations. The first action you'll want to take is to click on the Sales section. This area serves as your main hub for handling transactions, whether they're related to invoices, payments from customers, or other financial activities. Within the Sales menu, you'll notice several tabs lined up at the top of the screen. Your next move is to locate the tab labeled Invoices. This section is crucial as it displays all your customer invoices along with their current statuses. It's an excellent spot for managing your client communications and ensuring everything is on track. Now, browse through your list of invoices to identify the one you want to send via email. Once you've pinpointed the specific invoice, direct your attention to the far right of that invoices row. Here, you'll find a small icon resembling a gray caret. This icon is quite important because it unlocks additional options for managing your invoice. After clicking on the caret icon, a drop-down menu will appear, offering you a few choices. At this point, you can select either Send or Send Reminder. The option you choose depends on whether you're sending the invoice for the first time or if you're nudging your customer with a gentle reminder. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, you'll be taken to an email editing window. In this window, you have the flexibility to customize several fields to ensure your email is exactly how you want it. You can modify the From email address, which is particularly useful if you manage multiple businesses or identities. Always double-check the recipient's email to avoid any miscommunication or sending the invoice to the wrong person. The subject line and the body of the email will be pre-filled for your convenience, reflecting the standard template set up in QuickBooks. However, it's a good practice to edit these fields. Adding a personal touch or providing specific details can help facilitate and expedite payment from your client. Once you're satisfied with the appearance of your email and all the fields are accurately filled in, you're ready to take the final step. Click the Send button, and just like that, your invoice is on its way to the customer. This streamlined process allows you to communicate swiftly with clients, ensuring that your cash flow remains efficient and uninterrupted. And there you have it. You successfully sent an email to a customer using QuickBooks Online. We hope this tutorial made the invoicing process smoother and enhanced your interactions with clients. That's it for this tutorial on how to send emails to customers in QuickBooks Online. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.